We human beings have perfected our homes over thousands of years of evolution, from mud huts to sky-reaching buildings, yet the remarkable craftsmanship of the animal kingdom remains very unchanged. And as the old saying goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. From termite mounds that rise like cathedrals to the most breathtaking bird nests on the planet, here are the 15 most amazing homes built by animal architects. And trust me, they will just blow your mind. Let's start off with number 15, Ancient Termite Civilization. While they might seem insignificant to us, insects can be among the most skilled architects in the natural world, and termites are the ultimate proof. Often dismissed as pests, these small but formidable builders have created one of the largest colonies ever recorded, so massive it spans an area greater than the size of Great Britain. Hidden in Brazil's tropical forests, this ancient super colony went largely unnoticed until 2018, when researchers discovered its full scale by chance. The sprawling network consists of approximately 200 million soil mounds, some over 10 feet high and 30 feet wide, connected by a vast underground system. Scientists estimate the structure to be nearly 4,000 years old, a remarkable testament to insect engineering and persistence. While locals have been aware of the mounds for centuries, only modern surveys revealed the extraordinary size of this living city. It remains one of the most awe-inspiring feats of cooperative construction ever achieved by a non-human species. Number 14, Trapdoor Spiders. If typical spiders rely on webs to capture prey, the trapdoor spider has perfected a more cunning approach, constructing an underground hideout equipped with a hinged camouflaged door. These burrows are lined with silk to maintain humidity, aid movement, and act as an effective snare for unsuspecting victims. The entrance is covered by a carefully built lid that blends seamlessly into the surroundings, opening and closing with precision. Hidden beneath, the spider waits for vibrations from passing insects, or even small birds, before launching its attack. These remarkable arachnids spend nearly their entire lives inside their burrows, with some living decades in the same structure. The oldest known individual in Western Australia survived an astonishing 43 years. This combination of patience, engineering, and stealth makes the trapdoor spider's dwelling one of the most specialized predator homes in nature, designed not only for concealment, but also for ensuring that prey never sees the strike coming until it's far too late. Number 13, Catisfly Case. Like the monumental termite mounds, some insects demonstrate amazing craftsmanship for survival, and the caddisfly is a master of personal defense. Related to mayflies and stoneflies, this aquatic insect spends most of its life underwater, constructing a portable armored case from silk, produced by its body combined with sand, pebbles, shells, and plant fragments. These cases function as both camouflage and protection, allowing the larva to endure currents, predators, and environmental hazards. Some species also weave silk nets to trap food particles drifting in the water. A caddisfly's larval stage can last up to 2 years, during which it remains safely enclosed in its self-made shelter. When ready to pupate, it seals the case, then emerges as a winged adult. The precision with which each individual selects and arranges materials results in a unique structure, turning simple elements into a mobile fortress. This combination of creativity and survival instinct makes the caddisfly one of nature's most ingenious architects. Number 12, Cliff Swallow Nests. It might seem like the worst possible place to build a home, balanced on a cliff edge with only open air and a sheer drop beneath. But for one bird species, this location is essential for survival. Cliff swallows are the most colonial of all swallow species, often forming groups of 200 to 1,000 nests, with the largest recorded colony boasting over 3,600 nests in Nebraska. Found worldwide, they prefer grasslands, broken forests, and even urban areas, always seeking the highest and most inaccessible spots for breeding. For most of the year, these swallows roost in trees, but once a breeding pair forms, they join a cliff-based colony and begin construction. Their nests are intricately crafted from mud pellets, shaped into enclosed chambers with small entrances, offering protection from predators and weather. This high-rise approach to nesting ensures safety and allows for dense, thriving communities, perched in some of the most dramatic and seemingly perilous habitats in the bird world. All right, now let's move to something beavery. Number 11. Beaver nests. You were probably wondering when the beavers would make their appearance, and there's no way these master builders could be left out. When it comes to constructing remarkable homes, beavers are in a category of their own. Found mainly in the United States, Canada, and parts of Europe, they are among the largest rodents in the world, often weighing up to 60 pounds and reaching lengths of over 4 feet. Their lodges, built from branches, mud, and bark, are typically located in lakes, rivers, streams, or ponds, with underwater entrances for safety. These structures house entire families, sometimes up to 9 beavers, spanning several generations, all contributing to construction and maintenance. Beyond providing shelter, their building activities shape ecosystems, creating wetlands that support countless species. By felling trees for both food and materials, they alter landscapes in ways that promote biodiversity. Each lodge stands as a durable, well-engineered hub of family life and environmental transformation. Number 10. Weaver ant nests. If you've ever wondered how a tiny insect can create something so complex, the weaver ant provides the answer, through sheer teamwork. Part of a larger ant family known for elaborate structures, weaver ants are remarkable for their leaf-based nests in dense tropical forests. Found across Africa, Asia, and Australia, they link their bodies together to pull leaves into position, then use silk from their larvae to stitch the leaves securely. This results in a weather-resistant nest that protects the colony from predators and the elements. A single colony often maintains multiple nests across several trees, connected in an expansive network. Highly territorial and aggressive in defense, weaver ants have been used for over 1,000 years by indigenous farmers as natural pest control. The precision, cooperation, and scale of their construction demonstrate an extraordinary level of organization, transforming simple leaves into fortified homes that sustain thriving, well-defended insect communities. These ants are cool. Number 9. Orb weaver spiders. If the trapdoor spider's ambush is impressive, well, the orb weaver's web is equally a masterpiece of nature engineering. These spiders, belonging to a family of over 2,800 species, are famed for their intricate wheel-shaped webs. Construction begins when the spider releases a silk line carried by the wind to another surface, much like casting a line. This anchor point forms the base from which the spider drops to create a distinctive Y shape. It then spins radial lines outward and fills the center with a spiral of sticky silk designed to snare prey. Many species remain on their webs day and night, poised for the slightest vibration. The precision of their weaving not only ensures effective hunting, but also reflects a remarkable instinct for geometry and tension. Whether stretched between branches, walls, or even man-made structures, orb weaver webs are resilient, efficient, and stunningly symmetrical, demonstrating nature's ability to produce architecture that is both beautiful and deadly functional. Number 8. Red ovenbird nests. The red ovenbird, native to South America, is known for its awesome patience and skill in constructing one of the most durable avian homes. Male and female pairs work together over months, gathering clay or mud mixed with straw, hair, and plant fibers. The tropical sun bakes the mud walls until they harden like stone. The birds then add a domed roof, followed by a narrow, curved entrance that leads into a breeding chamber divided by interior walls. The finished nest resembles a small clay oven, earning the species its name. Built high on branches, fence posts, or poles, these structures offer excellent protection from predators and harsh weather. While the building process is labor-intensive, the result can last for years, sometimes reused by the same pair or taken over by other species. In craftsmanship, durability, and ingenuity, the red ovenbird's nest remains one of the most distinctive and enduring examples of avian architecture. Number 7. Japanese pufferfish. Few animal-built structures have puzzled scientists as much as the crop circle patterns found on the seafloor off Japan's coast. For nearly a century, their purpose was unknown, until divers observed the architect in action, the male Japanese pufferfish. During breeding season, the male meticulously sculpts a circular nest in the sand, often several feet wide, using fins to create ridges and valleys that radiate outward in precise symmetry. This elaborate design serves to attract females, with the central area reserved for egg-laying. The surrounding patterns help reduce currents, keeping the eggs safe from disturbance. These temporary yet highly detailed structures are destroyed by waves over time, but the male rebuilds as needed throughout the season. Once the eggs hatch, the site is abandoned until the next mating cycle. Far from mere decoration, the pufferfish's geometric nest is a carefully engineered nursery, combining artistry, functionality, and reproductive strategy in one extraordinary underwater display. Number 6. Bald eagle nests. This eagle is equally notable for its skill in creating permanent nesting sites. Both male and female eagles work together to gather sticks and arrange them into massive structures, often 5 feet wide and 4 feet deep when newly built. Nest building strengthens the pair's bond, and once formed, these partnerships usually last for life. Each year, the nest is expanded, sometimes by as much as 2 feet, to accommodate their growing brood. This annual maintenance can result in monumental constructions. The largest recorded bald eagle nest, found in St. Petersburg, Florida, measured 9.5 feet in diameter, 20 feet deep, and weighed around 3 tons. Perched high in sturdy trees or occasionally on cliffs, these nests provide safety from predators and shelter from harsh weather. Their size, durability, and continued use over many years stand as a testament to the species' dedication to raising and protecting the next generation. Number 5. Cathedral termites. If Brazil's colossal termite colony is a marvel of scale, Australia's cathedral termites are a triumph of structural resilience. Found across the Northern Territory's arid plains, these termites build towering mounds from a mix of soil, chewed vegetation, saliva, and feces. The result is an exceptionally strong structure capable of withstanding intense heat, torrential rain, and predator attacks. These mounds can exceed 15 feet in height, their internal design carefully ventilated to regulate temperature and humidity for the colony within. The term cathedral comes from their imposing spire-like shape, which dominates the otherwise flat landscape. Every mound houses a vast network of chambers and tunnels, including nurseries, food storage, and specialized fungus gardens that sustain the colony. This level of organization and climate control rivals human architectural ingenuity, crafted entirely by insects working collectively. In both durability and function, cathedral termite mounds stand as enduring monuments to one of nature's most formidable building species. Number 4. Honeybee hives. Honeybees are extraordinary natural engineers whose hives showcase mathematical precision. Built from densely packed hexagonal cells made of beeswax, these structures maximize storage while using minimal material, an efficiency that has fascinated scientists for centuries. The cells hold honey, pollen, and brood, forming the core of the colony's survival system. Propolis, a resin collected from tree buds, is used as a sealant to strengthen and protect the hive from drafts and intruders. Most hives are built in hollow trees, rock crevices, or human-made enclosures, but the design principles remain the same. The hexagon's geometry distributes weight evenly, enabling the hive to withstand environmental stresses. Hive construction is a cooperative effort involving thousands of worker bees, each contributing to building, cleaning, and defending the colony. This instinctive architectural mastery allows bees to maintain stable conditions inside regardless of external weather, an achievement of both function and elegance honed through millions of years of evolution. Number 3. Vogalcop bowerbird. Deep in the Vogalcop Peninsula of Indonesia's West Papua, the Vogalcop bowerbird stands out not for bright plumage, but for extraordinary taste in home decor. Unlike its vividly colored relatives, this species is a muted olive brown, yet it crafts one of the most elaborate courtship structures in the bird world. The male builds a tall, hut-like bower from twigs, carefully arranging the entrance and interior. Then comes the ornamentation. Vivid flowers, berries, leaves, and even rare fungi are placed in meticulous patterns, refreshed daily to maintain vibrancy. These decorative displays signal the male's health and skill, attracting visiting females who inspect the arrangement before choosing a mate. In an environment filled with brilliantly feathered birds of paradise, the Vogalcop bowerbird relies entirely on architectural and artistic prowess to impress. Once courtship ends, the bower is abandoned, but the memory of its perfection lingers, proof that beauty, skill, and precision can rival even the flashiest colors in winning attention. Number 2. Montazuma oropendola. The Montazuma oropendola, native to the Caribbean lowlands from southeastern Mexico to central Panama, is as remarkable for its social structure as for its unique nest design. These large, striking birds take their name from the Aztec Emperor Montezuma II and are colonial breeders, with dominant males overseeing harems of females. The females are the nest builders, weaving long, pendulous structures from plant fibers and vines high in the forest canopy. These nests, which can exceed 3 feet in length, hang in clusters, sometimes over 30 in a single colony, with the largest recorded containing 172. The height protects from predators, while the woven walls allow ventilation in the tropical climate. The colony's location and size offer additional safety, as many vigilant eyes guard against threats. This combination of strategic placement and meticulous construction makes the Montezuma oropendola's nest not just a cradle for young, but a well-defended architectural achievement suited to its rainforest home. Number 1. Sociable Weaver. What better way to end this amazing architectural journey into the animal kingdom than with one of the most distinctive avian engineers ever, the Sociable Weaver. As a species, weavers are among the most widespread birds on Earth, yet this particular branch is renowned for its talent in creating extraordinary communal homes. Sociable weavers have become icons of natural design, building vast structures that are both intricate and enduring. While all weaver nests are impressive, theirs rank among the most striking in nature, lasting for generations and even sheltering other species during their lifetime. Related closely to finches, sociable weavers thrive across much of sub-Saharan Africa, especially in South Africa. Ordinary weavers can complete a nest in a single day, but these guys take far longer, forming huge colonies of interconnected nests resembling great bundles of grass and thorns. Large enough to accommodate over 100 pairs spanning multiple generations, these architectural feats are built for endurance and survival. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you soon.